Hi guys, I'm running a little bit behind schedule and also my room's a mess because I'm trying to tidy it. That's a lie, I tried to tidy it this morning. As you can see, we didn't get too far. I'm so tired. I've just got back from a spin class and then dance and now I'm like low-key dead, so just bear with me, okay? But I have about an hour to get ready into like full glam. This fringe is too long and I look like Claudia Winkleman. I don't really know what I'm saying, I'm not making sense, so I will see you after my shower when I can talk the actual proper English language. Fresh! So basically what I was saying is I'm going to be doing a get ready with me and I haven't been out since the second lockdown, like before the second lockdown I mean. So it's going to be quite fun. I genuinely am so freaking excited. I haven't been out in so long. It's insane. Oh my god. Like everything's opened up now again. Like we can meet people. So happy. Anyway, I do currently only have an hour to get ready. And by get ready, I literally mean do my hair, get an outfit and do my makeup, as you can see. So this video might be a bit of a mess. It probably already is a bit of a mess because I can't breathe. I've been to a spin class today. I burnt 500 calories in 30 minutes. Didn't know that was possible. I did think spin was easy, so I was in for a little bit of a shock there. And then literally right after the spin class, I went to dance. And normally you have to do a HIIT workout at the beginning of that. And I was literally dreading that because I was drenched in sweat. Like, I swear to God, I've never sweat that much in my entire life. And I know I say that every single time that I like work out. But oh my God, this, I genuinely meant it this time. Like, oh my fucking God. It was disgusting. I was dripping all over the bike. Gross. Did think I was gonna collapse, but I didn't. Ah! Got out of dance and then a bunch of schools in my area had been in lockdown, which I didn't know about until I got out, because there was like a stabbing in my area, which is really weird because of where I live. It doesn't normally tend to happen. So that's kind of spooky and obviously not fucking ideal at all. But luckily everyone's okay now, I think, and everything's been sorted, so that's all good. To be honest, I don't really know much about that whole situation, so I can't really speak much on it. I just hope everyone's okay. I hope everyone's okay, I hope everything is okay, and whenever I find out what fully happened, I hope it was nothing too bad.
Hey, just me popping in once again. Just wanted to let you know that I was wrong. There was a rumour going around that there was a stabbing in my area. Turns out some guy was just carrying a shotgun around, which obviously is not good, which is the reason guns are not as easy to get in this country as they may be in some other countries. But no one was hurt, which was good. They fixed the whole issue up very, very quickly. So just wanted to clear that up. Please make guns harder to get a hold of in the United States. Thank you.
I think I'm gonna do a brown smoky eye, kind of pushing it for time because I'm really in a rush here, and
the time is 4:56 p.m.
I'm being picked up at like 6, but I need to be ready and like out the door for like 5:02. So, ladies and gents, we'll see how far we get. Anyway, I'm going to my friend Hannah's house. I'm gonna let you in a little secret, okay? The legal drinking age in this country is obviously 18. Yeah, and I'm 17, and I just feel like I haven't lived my best illegal life yet. I have never got to order at a pub. This sounds really bad, but don't fucking tell me it's bad because I know if you're 17 or 18, you have done this, okay? So don't even try me. I haven't been able to illegally order drinks because we have been in lockdown. So tonight's the night where I will be going crazy on the Capri Suns, and I am honestly very excited for it because I haven't been out in so long, as I've said 400 gazillion times, but I haven't drank Capri Suns in a fucking long time, and I also haven't had much time to eat today, so I've had a salad and a bowl of yogurt and fruit. So you just know what that means. I don't even have to tell you. I'm also really stressed. I haven't tidied my room, and I've got Adele staying over tonight because that's gonna be fucking fun, and I'm really excited for the bowl of pasta waiting for me for when I get back. But as you can see, for now, we're not quite at the getting back stage. We're barely at the getting there stage, so I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying, but you're just gonna have to sit back and watch it. Oh shit, I haven't put my phone on charge or anything. Oh my God, I'm really not prepared. Okay, eyes are somewhat done. Great, beautiful, wonderful, fabulous, stunning. Great. I haven't worn makeup in over a week, so this is quite exciting for me because I fucking love doing my makeup. It's like my favourite thing. It's very therapeutic. Not when you're in a rush, but usually it is wonderful, especially if you're doing some like special effects thing. I do love it. So I bet it looks so good. Honestly, my confidence will probably be through the roof. Not that it isn't already, because I just think I have an ego too big for my liking. I have said this before, the sun comes out and I just think I'm a whole other person. In winter, I have zero confidence. I don't know what it is, it just disappears, and I'm probably crying every night about my appearance. Summer comes around and I'm just obsessed. And like, to the point where it's not good, I will admit that. Like, I am just very, a little bit too confident, you could say. But also, like, I still have days, don't worry, I'm still humble. Still humble queen. Hot girl summer has officially arrived, ladies. We have finally made it. I know, it's been a journey and a half. Way longer than it should have been, because this should have happened last year, but it just didn't. However, we're not going to be focusing on the negatives. We are here! And we are here to stay until September comes around and the sun just disappears on the first day. Oh, I got my nails redone the other day. My black ones were only on for 3 weeks. I thought they were on for 5. Turns out they were only on for 3. So that's kind of sad. That's like a tenner a week just for nails, but they were really cute, so I'm not mad at it. These, I feel like a different person. I am a different person. Every time I get nails, it really depends on my mood, because I will really be switching like a fucking Gemini with my nails. These are cute. I feel like a Barbie, and they're about to go on my dress so much. I'm so freaking excited to get ready. I haven't worn a dress in so long. In my last video, I was gonna wear a dress, but that obviously never happened because it was pouring down with rain, and there was actually a thunderstorm. So I don't really know why I was trying to wear a dress, because it was literally like 4 degrees. But finally I can wear a dress, and even if I freeze to death, I don't even care. Like, I just want to be a dress girl again. Oh, I'm so good at matching my fucking foundation. I should work at MAC. No, I shouldn't. We do not promote animal testing. Should we talk about that? Why are we in 2021 and still testing on animals, huh? Like, girl, if one brand can do it, surely the rest can do it. Like, I know why they do it. I hate it though. I know why they do it, because obviously, like, you can't just throw that straight on humans. It could, like, kill somebody. But also, why are we killing animals for it?
Me again. Just wanted to pop in to update my sentence. I completely forgot that it is a law to test on animals in China. And I knew that, but I forgot about it. Most brands don't test on animals, but do in China, which still isn't good and still shouldn't be a thing. But just wanted to say that before everyone comes and kills me in the comments for using animal tested brands such as Maybelline. I did actually think that the products I was using was cruelty free, because they don't test in any country but China. So now I'm really fuming, because I am using Maybelline and I am using Benefit as mascara, and they test on animals in China. But from now on, I'm going to try avoid that and get like Fenty Beauty. Kylie doesn't test on animals, neither does Morphe, and just figure out my shit before I start spreading the word on the internet and being a hypocrite.
Sorry, like, who decided humans were way more important than fucking rabbits and shit? Like, I do think that rabbits could take over the world and it probably would be a better place. Like, what, it'd be filled with carrots and fucking Bugs Bunny? Great, right? We don't need fucking Donald Trump and Boris Johnson. I'm just gonna apologise now, because I just know this video is a fucking mess, and me editing this is literally hating me and cringing and fucking crying over the fact that I didn't just film a normal fucking morning routine, get ready with me for school sort of vibe. But no, I'm here talking about illegal drinking and Bug Bunny taking over the world. Oh, does anyone care? Nope, I'm going to talk about animal testing. If you don't like it, don't watch. In year 10, I did a presentation on animal testing for like an English speaking exam, and I did get the highest grade. So, but I don't think animal testing is good. Not that anyone should really be promoting it, and if you are, honestly, just give this video a thumbs down if you test on animals. It's disgusting. Like, you know when you look at the photos and there's like, oh, no, I can't even. It's just really sad, and I don't like it, and I wonder who one day was like, oh yeah, let's just pick up a rat and shove some shampoo in its eyes. You know, it's a bit mean, isn't it? I wonder if they're even saying anything. Like, does that mean something? When dogs bark, do they say like, hey, get off my grounds, get off of my street? Do you know, I'm not even gonna question it. I'm not even gonna question it, because I'm losing my fucking mind, as we can already tell. I've lost too much sweat and blood today through that one fucking spin class. I'm losing too many brain cells talking about Bugs Bunny taking over the world and dogs communicating, and I just can't deal with this anymore. I honestly quit, and I just fucked up my eyeshadow. Oh my god, I fucked up my eyeshadow. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm not, because that will fuck up my eyeshadow even more. Do you know what? It's fine. My mum did not raise a quitter. Quitters never win. Winners never quit. So, we're gonna fix it. Why am I on some fucking motivational speaker shit right now? Oh my god, I'm gonna change the title to having a mental breakdown for a fucking hour straight. Come on, eyeshadow. Morphe babes. Come on, let's get this together. Let's get it together. Do Morphe test on animals? I don't think they do they? Neither do Fenty Beauty. I don't really know about other brands, I can't really remember, so I could actually be such a hypocrite right now and saying about animal testing and be using animal testing brands. I'm gonna cry. I'm spinning everything. I just want my powder everywhere, and now I'm gonna get copyrighted because fucking Lil Wayne Problems is playing in the back. Oh my god. Ow, 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 my ear. Ow, 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 ow. Fuck off. Alexa, pause. Oh, I forgot my favourite part. I forgot to use cream bronzer, and that's my favourite thing. Oh, do you know what? It doesn't matter. I hate, right, here's the thing. I always get mad at myself for getting mad at things. Like, I just fully could have cried because I didn't use my fucking bronzer. But, like, there are so many fucking worse things in the world. So why am I getting so angry over the fact that I didn't use one bronzer and instead I'm using another? What? It just, pisses me off. Like, stop being such a fucking Tory, Izzy. Like, you're not even a Tory. You don't even like Boris Johnson. So just, oh! As you can see, I'm doing great. I'm really mentally stable and I'm absolutely fine and I'm thriving with my best fucking life and yeah. Yeah. It is a bit annoying, isn't it? It's like, you know those people who are like, oh my god, I've had the worst day. Like, my mum dropped me off in the Porsche rather than the fucking Range Rover. Like, what a slag, honestly. And I just hate that. I hate that because it's so, oh, I just fucked up my makeup. Do you know, you're just gonna go through life, you're just gonna not take yourself too seriously. If you walk out looking like a clown, you look like a clown. At least embrace it. Maybe have a little sign. The fuck am I saying? Izzy, are you good, bro? The fact that I can wear a dress is still really keeping me alive right now. Like, I know I'm complaining about everything under the sun, but the fact that I can go out and wear a dress, beautiful. And gyms have reopened, so I've been able to lift weights. You know how it goes. Hot girl summer has come and I'm officially very, very, very ready for it. I feel like this is the first time I've been really ready for it, but honestly, I'm 17, so like, I don't really need to be ready for it, do I? Like, I've got a fucking long life ahead of me. Let's hope. But I am 18 in 4 months. That just doesn't seem right. It doesn't seem right that I am going to be officially an adult. It feels like some wizard shit should come into my life. They should cast like a spell on me and I'll be like a vampire and like be 17 for the rest of my life. Even though that would probably be horrible. Like, at least let me get to like 22 or something. Like me, like, I get to experience adulthood. It just doesn't seem like it. It just doesn't seem like it should be a thing. I feel like I wouldn't trust me with a pair of safety scissors. So why are you like letting me behind the wheel of cars and fucking a license to get alcohol? Shouldn't be allowed. Don't take that seriously though, because I don't want all of my IDs taken off of me. I don't have an ID. Oh my god, my butt is stuck to this chair. I know you didn't want to know that, but it is fucking hot in here. I'm just gonna bake the shit out of my face. I haven't baked my face since it was like 2016 and I was really into like my Kylie Jenner makeup sort of phase. Like, look, doesn't that just do wonders? I'm so snatched right now. I do love it. 5:27. Okay, we have half an hour to do the rest of my makeup and get an outfit and straighten my hair that I straightened last night, but then fucking sweat the entire of my body weight into, so it isn't gonna stay straight. So how's your guys' day? How's it going? Let me know, because I actually want to know. Like, give me a couple comments below or DM me on Instagram or something. Just let me know how your day is. Okay, let me know if you're doing alright. And if not, I hope things get better. Okay, well now my bake's not coming off, so I think I might officially start crying, because why is it not? You're having a fucking giggle. You're actually having a fucking giggle. This video was meant to be so cute. I was meant to sit down, have a fucking nice little natter with you for a couple of hours, but no! The universe had other plans. Do you know what? At least it's still a plan. At least there was still a plan involved in the planning, in the, oh my god, I just can't. I should not be allowed a fucking YouTube channel. I should not be allowed makeup or the ability to portray my feelings on the internet. Do you know, a setting spray, it works wonders. I don't care anymore. Please fix all my issues. It's not moving. It's not moving. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna lose my voice if I do that one more time because that really hurt. It's fine. It's fine. Soon I will be too deep in Capri Suns to even notice. Don't my nails look cute though? Do you know, it's the simple things. People say nails are so unnecessary, but honestly, did you see that? Like, I was in such a bad mood and now just looking at my nails, it makes everything better. So really, nails are a necessity for some people, not for all people. But don't go around being one of those bitches that's like, oh, you have nails? Oh, weren't they like so expensive? Oh my god, like why? Like you could have spent your money so many better ways. Fuck off, Cassandra, I don't care. Okay, maybe I am still in a bad mood. Don't care, don't care, okay? We're leaving it. There are worse dishes in the world than my fucking makeup. So then we're gonna leave it at that. Ow, I hit myself in the eye. Ow! I never sharpen my eyeliners and that just really scratched my eye and it really hurt. Wowzers. Ow! Stop doing that, Izzy. Learn your fucking lesson. If it's not been sharpened the first time, it's not just gonna instantly sharpen itself. Oh, this has fucked it. Don't. Oh, just did a bad thing. I just really fucked that up. I shouldn't have done that. But you know, life is gonna take you through these ups and downs, and sometimes you've got to take an L to really appreciate the W. Great, currently 20 minutes until I have to leave and I look like this. My neighbours bang on the walls and I'm surprised they haven't done that already. Right, left, up, down, fucking centre, I don't know anymore. Okay, do you know what? We're basically done. We are practically done, basically done. We just need to throw on a pair of lashes, throw on a dress, and do a little bit of straightening of the hair, okay? It can't be too hard, right? Can't be too hard. Do you know what? That is good. I'm gonna go off camera, do lashes, and get on my dress, and I will see you when I am straightening my hair. Guys, do you know what? We have 10 minutes left. My straighter's warming up. This is my dress. It's very fucking cute. Okay, like body, all that shit, you know. Oh my fucking god, my hair. She really didn't get the fucking memo, did she? These, cute, done, dusted, all that shit. Right, let me get my shit together. Right, shoes, socks, beautiful. As soon as I get there, I'll be in a good mood. It's just right now I'm fucking stressed. I haven't even packed a bag. No, just need my phone. I do just need my phone. Okay, cute, I don't need a bag. Things, I literally washed my hair like 2 days ago, but it's already, it's just, it's not grease, it's literal sweat from earlier. Just gonna apologize for how disgusting and messy this video was. Do you know, it's probably entertaining. If you've made it this far, it's probably entertaining. Good? Good? Cute. Do you know what, we're done. We're done because this doesn't need too much to it.
The time is 5:52 p.m.
Okay, about 3 minutes. 3 minutes. We're nearly there. What have we learned from this journey? Number one, if you're gonna do a spin class, make sure you have 3 hours to get ready because holy fuck, that really will take the rest of your day away from you. Second of all, let's not complain about minor issues such as makeup. Third of all, let's subscribe to Izzy because Izzy would love you too. Fourth of all, animal testing is bad. And fifth of all, nails are a necessity for some. Do you know what? I feel like that's pretty good life lessons, you know? Out of every cloud has a silver lining. I'm gonna go out and I'm going to enjoy myself. And I hope you can go out and enjoy yourself too. I hope lockdown is all good where you are. I hope COVID is just really leaving now. She should be. You know, festivals are opening again. Isn't that quite funky? Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at our final destination of Catfish City. Earrings. Oh, we can't be forgetting that. Roman, you've gone mad, I tell you. These earrings are from Claire's, and Claire's are currently hiring if anybody wants a job. Okay, I said nails were a necessity, but I didn't say they were useful all the time. Do you know, I'm just gonna bring these and I'm gonna get someone to put them in for me. Someone to put them in for me. I know English. Ladies and gents, the fit. We have this dress. Pretty sure she's from Pretty Little Thing. How cute, and it goes with the nail. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, and then we have the shoes, which, wow, are also from Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing, hi, my DMs are open and I do wear your clothes all the time and I would really appreciate a collab, a line. I do pride myself in my fashion. Anyway, I can't be here talking to Pretty Little Thing when they're not even listening. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day. I love you. Bye, bitches.
It's been a long time.
Yes, ma'am.